Namaste children. Welcome to online class for class 5. Children, do you remember last class what did we see? Our first lesson, Earth the Desolated Home. Okay. And after that we have seen question answers and fill-ups for that lesson. Then compound word we saw. Okay. In that compound word, I gave some work to you. This is page number 84. I informed to write. Yes. First one answer. Did you find the answer, children? First one. Handbag. Handbag. Next. Ring. Ring. Okay. Then here dragonfly. Dragonfly. Fourth one. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Okay. Then here cupboard. Cupboard. Moonlight. Cowboy. Raincoat. Okay. Yes. Today we are going to see a poem from unit 1. This poem also related the universe. Okay. This poem also related the universe. Already last class I have said how many planets are there in, can you say? Yes. There are 9 planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. From that 9, first lesson based on Mars. Okay. Here we are going to see some planets. Shall we read the poem, children? Yes. I dream of flying beyond the earth, amidst the planets and the countless stars. I would stop by the red planet Mars. Here, dream of a home away from home. Yes, this first 4 lines. Imagine, sometimes we also got unbelievable dream. Okay, நடக்கவே முடியாது, வாழ்க்கையில சாத்தியமே இல்லாத ஒரு சில நிகழ்ச்சிலாம் கனவு காண்டிருப்போம். எங்கேயோ போய் பறந்து போறாப்புல. Can human fly? No. So likewise a boy, okay, the poet saying, okay, he is going somewhere beyond the earth, beyond the universe. Okay, in between planets, among the planets. Okay, planetக்கு இடையில பறக்கறாப்ல அவர் என்ன பண்றாரு? ஒரு கனவு காண்றார். Okay, so I dream of flying beyond the earth. Okay, amidst the planets and the countless stars. Among the planetsக்கு இடையிலையும் and the countless stars. Okay, shall we count the stars? No. The author used countless stars, uncountable stars. So author dreams he is flying beyond the earth and amidst the planets and countless stars. He is now in where? Universe. Okay. All the sides or stars are there. Then planets are there. Okay. I will stop by the red planet Mars. Okay. We called Mars a red planet. Okay. Which is a red planet? Mars is the red planet. Mars is the red planet. Here we dream of a home away from home. Okay, here we dream of a home away from home. Here we are dreaming. Okay, so நம்ம வீட்டெல்லாம் தாண்டி இங்க வந்து இருக்கிறாப்புல, மார்ஸ்ல வந்து இருக்கிறாப்புல ஒரு கனவு. Fly on towards the Saturn. Then I fly. Where I want to go now? I want to go to Saturn with its ring and moons. Okay, with its ring and moons. How many moon we have? Earth how many moon Earth has, children? Earth has only one moon. But Saturn has how many moons? 60 moons. Okay, Saturn has 60 moons with its ring and moons. So now I am flying in the, okay, above the Saturn. இப்போ எந்த பிளானட்டுக்கு மேல நான் பறக்கிறேன், சாட்டர்ன்ற பிளானட்டுக்கு மேல பறக்கிறேன். இந்த பிளானட்ஸ்ல மூணு எத்தனை இருக்கு? 60 மூன்ஸ் ஆர் தேர். அதுக்கு ஒரு ரிங்ஸ் இருக்கும் இல்லையா, அது மேலலாம் நான் இருக்கிறேன், இங்க பறக்கிறேன். Then I stopped by Jupiter. Then I stopped. After that I crossed Mars, Saturn and Jupiter. Okay, so it is called red planet, children, Mars. Okay, after that Saturn. Next is Jupiter. Marveled by its red storms that look like marbles. Okay, marveled, wondered. Okay, marveled means wondered, fascinated. Okay. By its red storms that look like marbles. Okay, Jupiter called. Okay, it's a red storms are there above the Jupiter that look like marbles. Okay, எப்படி இருக்கா? மார்பிள் மாதிரி இருக்கா. Let's look like marbles. Hurling through a belt of asteroids. Okay, hurling na here jumping, crossing, தாவி போறது, through a belt of asteroid. What is the asteroid? A rock between the Mars and Jupiter. Okay, what is my asteroid? A rocky cluster between the Mars and Jupiter. Across Uranus without a fuss. Now I crossed Uranus without a fuss. What is my fuss? Fuss means without excitement. Okay, without a fuss. Then I came to Neptune. Okay, Jupiter, Uranus and Neptune. The blue ice giant. Okay, it's a big one. So that Neptune is a big one. So author used giant, blue ice giant. It's in blue color. It's how many moons Neptune has? Do you know? 11 moons. Okay, Uranus has 27 moons. Okay, further high I fly beyond the galaxy. Further I cross Neptune. After that also I want to fly. I am flying. I fly beyond the galaxy. I cross all the planets. Okay, Mars, I cross Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, across all the one. I want to go beyond the galaxy to meet the creator. Who is the creator of this universe, children? God, we know that, creator. Okay, without God nothing is there. We should believe God. Okay, all the activities, whenever, wherever, we should pray God. சின்ன வேலை செய்யணும் கூட கடவுளோட அருள் இருந்தாதான் நம்மளால நல்லா செய்ய முடியும். நம்பிக்கை வேணும், அதே நேரத்துல நம்ம வேலை மேல நம்பிக்கை வேணும், கடவுள் மேலேயும் நம்பிக்கை வேணும். To meet the creator of this magnificent display, to take me beyond the Milky Way, to voyage across the galaxies. Of this magnificent, extremely beautiful to display, to take me beyond the Milky Way, to voyage across the galaxies. Voyage means travel. Okay, he's traveling across the galaxies. Galaxies la taandi ponunu. Who is thinking? The child is thinking. Author said through this child. Okay, author said these words through this child. It's an imaginary poem only. It's not a real one. It's an imaginary poem. Okay, children. So, the child want to meet the creator of this magnificent display. So, இதெல்லாம் படைத்தவர் யார்? இவ்வளவு அழகான அற்புதமா இந்த யூனிவர்ஸ் உலகம் படைத்தது யாரு? உலகத்திற்கு மேல இருக்க பிளானட்ஸ், ஓகே, அங்க இருக்க மில்கி வே, இதெல்லாம் படைத்தது யாரு? So I dream, but it's not a real one. I dream. The child dreams. இந்த குழந்தை காண்ற கனவு இது. ஓகே, இது உண்மையானது கிடையாது. Yes, you understand? Okay. Here, first 4 lines. See the first 4 lines and then in a page 85. Book page 85. Okay. Can you read? Yes. I dream of flying beyond the earth, amidst the planet and the countless stars. I would stop by the red planet Mars. Here we dream of a home away from home. Next paragraph. Fly on towards the Saturn with its ring and moons. Then I stopped by Jupiter, marveled by red storms that look like marbles. Third paragraph. Read, children. Hurling through a belt of asteroids. Okay, asteroid. I crossed Uranus without a fuss to Neptune, the blue ice giant. Further high, I fly beyond the galaxy. Last paragraph. To meet the creator of this magnificent display, to take me beyond the Milky Way, to voyage across the galaxies. Okay. Daily you should read a page, children. Okay, did you understand? Yes. Then, here, page number 86, they are giving glossary meanings. Okay, beyond. What is meant by beyond? Beyond means outside the limits of reach. Amidst. What is amidst? Surrounded by. Marveling. Something that causes wonder. Resembles. To be like or similar to. Resemble means same. Madri, ore madri. Marbles. A little ball of glass or clay. Hurling, racing over the barriers. Further, to move ahead. Okay, these are all meanings. Then, for your understanding, they are asking some question. In this dream, where is the poet flying to? The poet flying in the universe. Okay, beyond the earth. Which planet has rings around it? Which planet has children? Saturn. Which planet has red storm? Okay, Jupiter. Why the poet flies out of the universe? Why? Because he wants to meet the creator. Name the planets the poet flies through. Can you? Yes. Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune. How many planets? 5. Once again, Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune. Okay? Yes. Match the planets and its features. Mars. Mars is a red planet. Saturn, rings and moons. Jupiter. Jupiter is a red storm. Uranus. Uranus rolling on its axis. Neptune. Neptune is a blue ice giant. Okay. Okay, children, our poem over. Okay, next. In your book, page number 87, they are giving some vocabulary. See the picture. Hey, Shruti, look there. Lots of cows. No, Somu. you should call it a herd of cows. Okay, so ஒரு ஒரு கூட்டம் கூட்டமா இருக்க அனிமல்ஸுக்கோ ஒரு மொத்தமா இருக்க பொருட்களுக்கோ மொத்தமா சேர்ந்து ஒரு பெயர் இருக்கு. ஓகே, ஹர்ட் ஆஃப் கவுஸ், ஆட்டு மந்தை அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். அப்ப அந்த மந்தைன்றது என்ன அது தமிழ்ல? அது மாதிரிதான் ஹர்ட் ஆஃப் கவுஸ் தான் சொல்லணும், லாட் ஆஃப் கவுஸ் சொல்லக்கூடாது. we should use the word. ஓகே, all together மொத்த ஆடு ஒரு 10 20 30 மொத்த கூட்டமா இருக்கும் பொழுது அது என்ன சொல்லணும்? we should use the word herd of cows. ஓகே, as Suji says, it's not a lot of cows, it's a herd of cows. To indicate any group, we use collective nouns. Okay, to indicate any group means we should use collective nouns. Here are some examples. A team of players, a galaxy of stars, a pack of dogs, a swarm of flies, band of musicians, an army of ants. Okay, we should use altogether. Indicate any group. ஒவ்வொரு குரூப்புக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு வார்த்தையை வச்சு நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணணும். மொத்தமா சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, அப்படி சொல்லும் பொழுது ஒவ்வொன்றுக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு வார்த்தை இருக்கு. இப்ப பிளேயர்ஸ், மொத்த பிளேயர்ஸ்னா டீம் ஆஃப் பிளேயர்ஸ் we should use. ஸ்டார்ஸ்னா கேலக்ஸி ஆஃப் ஸ்டார்ஸ். டாக், a pack of dog. Okay, so write the collective names and match the picture with its collective nouns. This and all page number 98. Yes, see, for this is homework for you. You should find answer, write the collective names. You should find. Birds means what one, grapes means how, but what will be the answer for this? You should find and match this question. Okay, this question you want to match. This is a collective noun, children. Next, abstract noun. Here see page number 89. Hi Somu, I find happiness in sharing my ideas. Now I tell you another kind of naming word. There are some naming words, those can be only felt and experienced. We cannot see or touch. For example, we can't see happiness, but we can feel and experience. These naming words are called abstract noun. What is the abstract noun, children? Collective na mottham அப்படி சொல்றோம். Abstract என்ன அர்த்தம்? We cannot touch that. So I say I am happy. நான் ஹாப்பியா, நான் சந்தோஷமா இருக்கேன். சந்தோஷத்தை யாராவது தொட்டு பார்க்க முடியுமா? இல்ல, உணரத்தான் முடியும். என்னோட ஃபேஸ் எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் மூலமா காமிக்க முடியும், உணரத்தான் முடியுமே தவிர அதை தொட்டு பார்க்க முடியாது. These are called what? Abstract nouns. Here are some examples: happiness, anger, sadness, jealous. Okay, more example: honesty, wisdom, beauty, hope, luck, mercy, dream, death, life. Okay, these are the abstract nouns. Pick out the abstract nouns. He takes pride in his job. The dove is symbol of peace. Here, pride want to come. This is abstract noun. Here, peace. My grandmother is full of wisdom. Fourth one, Inia is very tall for her age. And Prem felt a lot of anger. Okay, here wisdom. Here anger. Here age. Okay, so these are abstract noun. Abstract noun, what is abstract noun, children? We can't see. ஒரு உணர்வுகள், மேக்ஸிமம் உணர்வு கூட சொல்லலாம். ஒருத்தரோட உணர்வுகளை சொல்றது வந்து அப்செக்ட் நவுனா இருக்கலாம். ஹாப்பியா, சந்தோஷமா, சோகமா, பார்க்க முடியாத, பெருமைப்படுற விஷயம். ஓகே, அதெல்லாம் அப்செக்ட் நவுன். Here, this is homework for you. Color the stars with the abstract noun. Okay, color the stars with abstract noun. Which are the abstract noun? You should color it. Okay. Yes, children. We can conclude this session. In this session, we have seen collective noun. Collective noun means what? Group of things. அத சொல்றது collective noun. ஒவ்வொன்றுக்கும் ஒரு பேர் இருக்கு. அத இன்னைக்கு சொல்லி கொடுத்திருக்கேன் உங்களுக்கு நானு. ஓகே, இதெல்லாம் தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. இதெல்லாம் நீங்க டெய்லி லைஃப்ல, டே டு டே லைஃப்ல நீங்க யூஸ் பண்ணணும். பிளேயர்ஸ்னால டீம் ஆஃப் பிளேயர்ஸ். ஸோ இதெல்லாம் கரெக்டா யூஸ் பண்ணும்போது உங்களோட இங்கிலீஷ் வெக்காபுலரி வந்து இம்ப்ரூவ் ஆகும். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், யூ மஸ்ட் இம்ப்ரூவ் யுவர் வெக்காபுலரி. யூ ஷுட் யூஸ் தீஸ் வேர்ட்ஸ். ஓகே, ரொம்ப டிஃப்ரெண்டான வேர்ட்ஸ், அழகான வார்த்தைகள்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணி பேசுங்க. Okay. Then we have seen what? Abstract noun. What is abstract noun? We can't see that, but we can feel and experience. That is abstract noun. Example, happy, sad, pride. Okay, that and all. Then first unit, poem. In that poem, author wants in her dream. Okay. She's flying beyond the earth. There he crossed 5 planets to meet after crossing that, she wants to meet a creator of the universe. Okay, this is an imaginary poem just for fun. Okay, nothing is what we can do anything. Now, first lesson what we have seen, மாஸ்ல போய் நம்ம வந்து இந்த மனித இனமே போய் குடியிருக்கிறாப்ல பார்த்தோம். ஸோ இது வேணா நடக்கலாம், இந்த மாதிரி போறது கூட நமக்கு நடக்கலாம். It's just a dream. Okay. Okay, children, happy learning. I think today you have understood all the thing what I have said. Thank you, children.